relax. Ito po, kinilala siya bilang champion ng Big Division ng Little Big Stars, Season 1 noong 2006, pero ngayon, he's not so little anymore. Bumira po siya sa mahigit 10 theater roles at kabilang sa iba't ibang mga pelikula.
Sa loob ng 10 taon sa industriya, napatunayan niya kung gaano siya ka-versatile. At kasama po natin ngayon ang multi-talented singer and actor, si Sam Concepcion.
Umagang kay ganda. Ito ngayon.
Ito na. Kailan pa ganun ako mag-ulit kayo?
Medyo, pero wala po akong magagawa kasi sa public.
You grew up in front of our, on the TV set, in front of our eyes. Sam, you have a new album.
Yes, I do.
Pakikwento naman sa amin kung anong maasahan namin dito.
Hi, this is called Infinite, Sam Concepcion Infinite, and it has 10 tracks. It's still under Universal Records. I've been with Universal Records since I was 13 years old. So thank you very much to Universal for, being a part of my growth, diba? Literal na growth, pagtangkad, tsaka growth din as a singer and a recording artist.
Parang iba image mo, ha?
Yes.
Wow.
It's really different po kasi, a lot of the things that I used to do when I was a very teeny bumper.
Yes.
And that's why we have this album also, because this is another side of me, a different part of me, and more me. And more me now.
At ito nga yung musikang gusto mo. Ngayon naman, ang dami mong fans. Gusto kong makita saan ka naman mapupuntahan, mapapasukan.
Well, of course, as of 18, of course, every Sunday. You can also catch me on Mix, because I'm now a Mix VJ for, I think, started in May. For about 2 months, so I'm enjoying that.
Perfect fit kasi music din ang iyong
Yes, exactly. Although a little bit different for me kasi syempre, I'm used to singing or acting in front of the camera, but not just, talking and being, mas personal kasi when you talk.
Exactly.
Pero eto, siyempre, papakantahin ka namin. Ang bagong Sam Concepcion. Take it away, Infinite.
Thank you. This is my single called No Limitations. Please give it a mix. Please get the album. Thank you. The stars will shine, even on a cloudy night. Stars will light up the sky. Ain't no bad girl. You and I should be together. Won't make this last forever. This loving gets harder. It's complicated, but just gotta do it right. We gotta push up further, 'cause we got nothing to lose, baby. Take this chance for once in a lifetime. No limitations, take it to a higher level. We be holding on forever. No limitations. No limitations. Yeah, no limitations. No limitations. No need to hurry. Baby, we'll take it slow. And all of your worries, you gotta let it go. This loving gets harder. It's complicated, but just gotta do it right. We gotta push a bit further, 'cause we got nothing to lose, baby. We be going on forever. Girl, promise I'll be good to you. 'Cause we got nothing to lose, baby. Take this chance to take it all.